Are you the son? Because you're
We're
stupid for getting
overhearing
blind.
about these
Oh
pickup
my
lines,
God.
so you can stop now.
Maybe like you guys don't have to be involved with everything. You don't have to stick your nose in.
Yes!
My class too.
Fucks!
I'm just sick of hearing you saying, hey, what's your favourite pickup line to every student on the damn server.
What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that.
Jealous.
We're just
That's
it's just a
dedication.
giggle. It's not like anybody's being nasty about it. I mean, your friends are running around calling me Gremlin for no reason. So, I mean...
No one said that were my friends. Don't accuse me of stuff.
Oh, no, they did say they're your friends. They specifically said that, but...
Spelling, bro.
Hey,
I don't
Brock!
control them though.
What's
Why?
your best pickup line?
Please. I already told you. I don't use lines, baby.
Arrest
But you
her for
could.
fucking mic spam or some shit?
It's not Mark's spit. What?
Okay, team, please, just everybody just take a seat, please.
Are you fucking kidding
on.
me?